Hello everyone, this is the Lambda function part 2 video. In this video we are going to see about the application of the Lambda function. So basically the Lambda function is used with the map, reduce and a filter. For better usage of Lambda function we always go with the map, reduce and a filter. So in this video I am giving you the brief or a quick revision for the Lambda function, what exactly the Lambda function, then we deal with the map, reduce and a filter. So start with the Lambda function. First we see the what exactly the Lambda function is. So basically the Lambda function is nameless function which don't have any name. And when we want a concise code or we want an instant usage, then we go with the Lambda function. And the another important question is that how we can identify the particular function is a Lambda or not. So when we are going to see about the Lambda keyword there, so we can easily identify that it's a Lambda function only. So what's the syntax of the Lambda function is a Lambda keyword, then keyword argument, then colon, then the desired expression what we want to do with the particular function. So let's see with the help of example. Here we are defining a equal to lambda n colon n plus 2. Here n is a keyword argument, n plus 2 is a expression, desired expression what we want to do. We are just simply adding 2 to it. When we are going to execute it, we are getting 4 as a result. So another is a equal to lambda a comma b. Here we are defining 2 keyword argument and we are just simply adding to each other. So the result is 22. When we are calling and we are passing 2 or 20, so we are getting 22 as a result. And for the lambda best usage is with map, reduce and a filter. Okay, the mainly is lambda is with map, reduce and a filter also. First we are going to see without map usage, it means the normal. Normally if we want to do anything, so how we can do it. And then after that we are going to see with the help of map. So suppose that we have a list which is 10, 20, 90, 30, 78, 69 and we want to add 5 to each element. So we are defining L1 an empty list, and for every x in a L, means for every element present in a L, we are adding 5 to it and we are appending to L1 list. So we are printing L1 and L. So L1 is basically 15, 25, 95, 35, 83, 74 and L is 10, 20, 90, 30, 78, 69. Okay. So what exactly the map is, when we have a requirement that we have to change every element of a list, then we go with a map. So let's see. For every element we have to apply some function and generate new element, then we go with a map. And the syntax for a map is map, then function comma sequence in parentheses. So we are considering the same list 10, 20, 90, 30, 78, 69. So we are applying map lambda x colon x plus 5 comma L. When we are applying it and we are running it, we are getting map object. To see the elements of the map object, we have to convert the map to the list. So then we can able to see the elements. So we can achieve the result 25, 20, 15, 25, 95, 35, 83, 74. So what in this line, what I'm going to do is like I'm combining above 3 steps into the one. We can do it in a one line. With the help of map, we can do the above functionality in a one line and this functionality as well. We don't have to define another separate list and this thing. We don't need this thing if we are using a map. So in a one line, we are converting, this is the lambda function and this is a sequence. And sequence could be the list, object, list, string, set, etc. So we are defining with the map and we are converting the list and we are getting a desired result. In case we have two lists L3 and L4 with different length, and if we are applying any function to it, we are getting only whichever having a minimum length that would be considered and remaining is discarded. So when we are applying that addition of L3 and L4, so we are getting 110, 20, 330 because 100 added to 10, 200 added to 20 and 300 to 30. Another thing is that if we want to check what's the element of L3 and L4, we can simply check it. And we can use with the help of string as well. We are defining the string and we are just simply providing a map. Here we are defining the function as upper. So we are getting everything in uppercase, and we can define the string in this sequence here as well. Another is next one is the filter. Filter is always when we have a requirement of we have to filter out, means as the name, on the basis of some boolean condition we have to filter something, then we go with a filter. Used to filter element based on some boolean condition, then we use filter. And what's the syntax? Syntax is filter, function and comma sequence. So here is the I'm considering the same list 10, 20, 90, 30, and what we are providing the condition x greater than 30, then we are getting this result. Here we are getting the result as 90, 78, 69. These are the values greater than 30. In case we are not using list here, we are getting elements, means the result as the filter object here. So it's necessary if you want to retrieve, if you want to see the result or retrieve the elements, then you have to use this list here. So another thing is that we can apply this to string as well. So we are defining a string here, and then we have to check the condition. This starts with P, so we can get the result. What here is the strings are like hello, Python, programming, Django, and a Flask. So if we want to filter, it starts with P. Here we are getting the result is Python and a programming. And next one is the reduce. To reduce sequence of a value to a single value by applying some specified condition or a function. And the reduce is not present in a by default. We have to go with the, it's available in a Func-tool module. Okay, and single value as output we are getting, it's not by default available to the Python. And the functionality is available in a Func module. Syntax is reduce, function, comma sequence. In all three, map, reduce and a filter, only the outer, the name is changed, otherwise the parenthesis and function comma sequence pattern is same. So for the usage of reduce, we have to first import the reduce from Func-tool. Then we are considering one list. Then we are applying a reduce to, simply we are multiplying all the values and we are getting as 1 as a result. Here we are, when we have to means we want a result as a one single value, means if we want to do the sum of something, multiply as all the elements present in a list, then we go with a reduce. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.